Hello my friends, this is Hani Amri. I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working as affiliate since 2015. I've did many mistakes, I've struggled a lot, but I did it a successful business since the mid of 2017. In this channel, I usually share my actual and honest experience with people who are looking for tips, advices, and recommendation to move their online business forward and enjoy the journey of working online. I will see you after this short intro. Welcome back, my friends. It's so important to have your own vision for the future. I mean, your vision is you are already you are thinking, or you already started, or you have already your own business and having some troubles, or moving forward not as expected. It's okay. The vision for the online business is so important. I mean, you understand, you look forward to your future. What are you going to do? Are you going to be a marketer selling other people's products, or working another kind of online businesses, like you have your own products to sell, you have services to sell, or you are trying to set up a fulfillment by Amazon business, or you have a lot of skills and you want to offer your service on the online platforms like Upwork, Freelance, Fiverr, People per Hour, and hundreds maybe from these platforms who anyone can which anyone can join and offering the service of any internet or digital services, like graphic designer, writer, build website builder, developer. There is hundreds of jobs you can go to offer there and invest in your skills and make money online. So your vision for the future, because after you, like for example, understand or decide what's your vision for the future, now you come to map out your strategy, and after the strategy, what's the tactics that you are going to use to implement your strategy and put it on the ground for your success. For example, you check yourself and according to what you have watched from videos, maybe books, or attend some events, you find that there is a weakness in some skills. So in your strategy, that by the end of this year, by the end of the next two years, you're gonna master these skills for working online, which is mainly computer and internet skills. So this is mean like the steps you are taking action towards your vision. This is so important. So scheduling your time, and then I highly recommend that you grow everything step by step, not to take many steps at the same time, and then maybe you'll get lost. If you join a training, you purchase a course, so finish the course to the end. Make the most of the information they put here. because there are a lot of courses. There are a lot of noise in the market. So you need to stick this training, this course to the end, and then check yourself not to make a decision in the middle of your way. No, no. Keep keep following the trainings, the recommendation, what tool they ask you to do, what software you have to practice, and in between, because usually the courses, many courses give like a day between one session and the other. This is good for you to practice, to go, if they recommend this software, so go to check this software. The software, the tools you have to understand or to work on usually gives 14 or maybe a month free trial. So it's good for you to join and start working, to plug in, and in this time, ask a question, submit a ticket, call the support, email them, ask for every technical issue or any note or any piece of information you want, because this will grow your business quickly. Don't watch today and come back to watch the next session a week later. No, daily, according to what the setup they have in the training, in the course. Now you finish this course and you found yourself not like, for example, convertible enough to start working yourself, which is normal, usual. No one can learn from only one training, one course. But yes, some people with good skills, with a lot of time to invest, maybe some money to buy some software tools, can make it quickly. Yeah, there is like this. But maybe some people already keeping their traditional job and want to invest some of their time in the evening, over the weekends, or somewhere. So it's okay. This is okay. I mean, it will take time longer than others, but it's okay. I highly recommend that, because you will keep yourself in convertible. You will keep yourself safe. You will feel there is no any threat around you, because you already keeping your job and trying to expand, to find another opportunity to make money from home online. And if you one day, if you find yourself really comfortable, having your real success, then you can quit your job to make the most of your skills and invest more time and maybe more money, and that will move your business forward and make your journey really exciting and amazing. And that's why people want to join or to set up or to start the online business, because when you reach the successful point or the successful stage of the online business, you'll enjoy it a lot, because there is no restrictions, there is no any more trouble, things like this. So your online business keep working for you, and you only keep an eye, put some time from some hours from your days, and to develop mind, to keep the business up and running easy and good. Going back to the start point is put your vision and make your vision so clear, and then move to another steps which will be connected to the long run vision. And this will, like, for example, don't like, for example, say, what should I say? You will not make a mistake just in case there is a lot of offers comes in your way. You'll hear from friends when you attend the events. A lot of people will speak about different offers, things like this. No, my vision is now to excel or to master the skills of affiliate marketing, being a marketer, being a seller, being a freelancer. When this is your vision, keep yourself on this way. When you finish and you find comfortable, you can expand. It's like you have your own decision and keep going in your successful online journey. I hope you enjoyed this piece of information. Please subscribe, please DM me, please share the video, and I will see you very soon.